Live on Adom TV and when you go to our show Agoro Ne Fom and your day bro. Na yankoi ni yeka kumasi Asante Kotoko asem. Eye Kotoko ne Al-Hilal. Kotoko was 6 points. Al-Hilal phone was 7 points. Game we Kotoko ebo draw cry and one ye we. Enti eso wini 3 points no. Enti say na Kotoko nye no. I mean chire me say the Kotoko baye na obaji sa 3 points no ochina.
Mojo game we had 2 games no aboni nyina ofie no. Because nese Al-Hilal who they change their score in Ghana. Because Al-Hilal was 7 points. Knowing a point against Kotoko, head to head to Kotoko.
Yes.
And again, we move to 8 points, which when you draw crowd with you against in Ghana team qualify. So Al-Hilal will not come into these games that is just couldn't Ghana by be able to. They are exposed to other early goals. To expect Al-Hilal to sit back and frustrate you. Al-Hilal for them said they have a game at home. If per the normal caucus or this group will be a winning field there, I think they are guaranteed a 3 points, which is the must win for them. And we all know how Al-Hilal first won in the home games. Even against Club African, I didn't know qualify. Yeah. Then I may check a crowd interview on it. We Abekanwan. Before say Dr. Kase Kotoko between Akwaji and Kase somebody here. If go my here, he can beat them like by 4 goals to 2. There's nothing like on a exceptional team be what this group more muboy and answer this tournament be musa. Kotoko have proven say they can win games and especially teams cry and fear there whoever be unbeatable. I don't think say team will confidential Kotoko intimation with you. And if you only can get the point away, why don't you boost the morale of the players and even home supporters instead of telling them say but whoever thought say Greece be charging 2,004 euros. No. After some progress you do baby, then you start growing confidence. It is possible. Kotoko group no, and no penny group Champions League 4 teams now. I'm dropping back confidence. We have 3. So it's a very tricky group. And African football is developing to the extent that right now they are struggling to win games. And the Nyadia was in Simba, Goma from Tanzania, Kenya, they are winning games now. I think that any bad comment is very good to me. Say or they motivated players. We should take it from the other side, say a pressure level comes. I think they can deal with that pressure. Now with the team Kotoko Bono, the problem that will be Masoba could if Emmanuel Jemfi is going to be it changed the dynamics and the team now they won the previous games because now you need to fold in 2 players who are more leg a crowd because you're more leg who maybe you saw more crowd, so it makes it very difficult. You might be lucky, said the last game we bought a back for an Mumbo so to me excel let me see Kosiki or Sochna captain will come back or captain Babo. Yeah, I think most Frimpong the owns one missing game based on suspension. So he's likely to be fitting into the team. But between Ebia, Kwame Boahe, Ebia, Martin and Chimunia, I think say Omi never say be a master and Emmanuel Jemfi. We all know the master Emmanuel Jemfi. I am a team in the games from above from Karobangia to Arne. So he's a key figure of the team, which on any day no coach will be happy to lose a few team. I think Kotoko should do the Omi in the first 2 games. That is attacking and getting an early goal. That is attacking and winning the first half so that you come into the second half well organized, try to tease time and say the behind the game not qualified. Now Kotoko should also be careful about the head to head. It's going to work. Perfect. Yeah, I'm more upon on Nkana. And the 2-0 will also give them that upon against a team event Al-Hilal. So I think that Kotoko so about match in Ofie. Not to during that week in between Ghana and
no, but he has to concentrate on doing this one.
Yeah,
that's one.
It's very important.
One at a time.
Very, very important. Maybe me feel say Al-Hilal for lose game crying home. That's how I feel. Because they have 3 points in the bucket, they'll pick it.
Against Ghana in the last game.
We go and check Al-Hilal the games about to feel.
They are the only team in the group with a point away.
Oh, away. And now they are going to play the last game at home against Ghana. And if you check Al-Hilal the last 20 games or in Africa, you hardly go there and beat them. You can't. Okay. They know how to beat you first. It is a stadium. I doubt and Ghana for my boy and people be black shows. That was one of the key reasons. I'm saying it was one was their players. The second one was Nipa de good stadium money. You can't stand. So I think they have 3 points in the bucket, which football anything can happen. But they know say a point to her, and even if they lose as compared to just Kunin Kana, no more bad to pick a point and a points. So they were widely open and Kotoko exploit defense. I think Kotoko any chance piece. My Sonny Akuba, She'll be very clinical in this game because he might not get that 5 chances now. The Emmanuel James will affect them. I'm hoping Senene will come back. And I said it on the first day after watching Kotoko against Zesco. I think Kwame Bonsu. So now I should team call up anymore. So when because he's from a country which is blessed with talented midfielders, he's absolutely fantastic.
All right. First time me kind messages ni bi aba. O say your friend Thomas o say o Baseke na o say Kotoko be winning by 3-1. Na mu no o say friend Thomas na adwuma no ekoso yi pa enti odase e wo ha no Thomas ya da so do message ni ba. O say friend DJ Ajola na o the free Agona Nkum na Kotoko be winning by 4-0 tomorrow. We there DJ eso e de aba. Yankwe o say friend Jacob of Odifree as Asante Bekwai. Now Obisa say, I want to know if Jenfi can make it in the next game. Greetings to the CEO and all new Canadian company workers. New Canadian company workers. Now Emmanuel Jenfi no, Ochinano Enyadia. Yes, we're training there, but say Obestati no, so ASM. Was even Alex Kujo from Morovia, Liberia. Now or say can Moreno bring Madrid bring back Moreno? And all the way aba share messages in be or say friend na JC Kapa Kaswa all Ghanaians should give their maximum support for Kumase Asante Kotoko na omo progress enko CAF Confererating Cup no knockout stage and also ede ne die aba and then or say I like the way you conduct your program na Kotoko will win by 2-0 from Mensa Starboy Awoshi and also ede message we a free eba eti also between do the man kind way there no was mo show would Zinedine be a manager for almighty Chelsea Jerry from Liberia Jerry you know say Zinedine Zidane Chelsea for Befano and also mon fana names na echo rounds no edorso now Babangida beke Kumasi Asante Kotoko any Hilal game na ebeko so ochina no
yeah kojo Dr. Cheyakasa na doctor say adwobrɛ na wa kra wo de to aso say opani kasa wia na say opani dware wia na nsu asa nti no odi nsu nyu egu asem no so nti wusie bia ni we fi ba bia beba ojo we hope say sa na beye na enkoye the opposite version say sebie ekoye na ntwi agya nan ai we aboso abehu say soro na wo pa but unimu na wo kotiamu a bo say ase na peche. That is why what I pray say enkusi ne mum ebe to say opani Dr. Che his honor akase wi no asumdwe beba. I wonder why Kotoko France no it me criticize here to the extent of criticizing the beauty of their victory. What do understand say we dey say nkai ana nkai say esi o say a team na oda say wako Zambia we lose 3-1 na in less than a week we opponent number now so wetimi a win 3 goals say ubo abofe say ubo possessive football say na we runs in up and down and you see say the most important thing is you've been able to grab the 3 points.
Yes, and here pa
ojo metra haka na no say that Zesco 2-1 no that consolation goals Zesco had say Kotoko she 2 I wasted a squander thousands of chances ama Zesco abenye that consolation no and then Kotoko winning by 1 goal and although who it would have been better because on head to head technicality be favor Kotoko.
One day it can come back to haunt you.
Yes,
that particular goal
who concede you know. So for me media margin said this is not a game Kojonka all things being equal was like same say because yes that is season the choba mathematics are Kotoko 4 and the Ghana 4 year and they say oh Kotoko 3 home matches and they are winning 9 points and Kojo this is the 3rd home match so why does it become a problem even particularly in less than a week to the game Unya the executive board chairman of the club Amana very assured a commitment towards the West said this year Kotoko or G Africa. So this is not a game that should be discussed. If a team of Africa had 6 points, about 4 matches, twice away, one losing in that away 2 matches, we have conceded 4 goals. So in average, it tells you say away we have conceded an average of 2 goals, which is very catastrophic for a team. Open trophy and the ufie no a ye o hallmark ufie na ye o pride ufie no a ye won taban ya wodi tuo no de this there should not be say afekra na ye ba bedwen ho say kwan ben na Kotoko be fa so but The problem is about the injuries that have been ready team.
Yeah, so
exactly. Because you have Emmanuel Jenfi. The work rate more than 70 to 80% so far in the African campaign. Yeah. Now at this crucial moment, who missing a service. Meteze Kotoko before up even their medical team, akofa doctors, some physiotherapists, more bar, and no can win a Jenfi team training. But maybe he can be forced to play, but we might not see the rare Emmanuel Jenfi we saw in Kariobangi, we saw in Cotton Sports, we saw in Zesco in Ghana and Al-Hilal in Sudan. So for me, a big nut for Kotoko to crack. But see the lack, and I said, Abribia won't say, obey change, that change becomes a super change for him. Kodo Obeka or drop Emmanuel Ajimambadu against Ismail Ganiu. Ekofa or have Adam Sebai, a farmer and a fantastic.
Yeah, farmer.
The captain Amos Frimpong, and not only on that day. Now Obeka or the Augustine Sifa Ebe Pushi and share the right back at the left back, a farmer and a fantastic. So we look forward to see that tactical brilliance and a Sike Kutano won't be making sure to how to incite it in other player or being not to play for Kotoko because there is a must-win encounter. On the Nkana Zesco game,
hold on, the dynamics.
Kotoko destiny pano and you come as on Sunday. If they have targeted to win their 3 home matches there, there's a destiny because who started season, who say Nkana about Bashano and Power Shaki 3-1. Who says Zesco ba Bashano, Bashano 2-1. So Al-Hilal ba, what's a Bashano 9 points, and then you mathematics, I did kind of num coco de that. 9 points in the chef region. But the dynamics and then I said, Nkana home with already 6 points.
Kitwe also obedient to be show.
It's very difficult.
Very difficult.
Very difficult. But that is not the issue of in their league, in their domestic league. In their last 4 matches at Kitwe and Shea Dankuyi. So it is my hope, sir. On that venue, Nkana bet me are winning against Zesco.
In the Zambia league now, you're born A and B, Zesco able A, Nkana able B. Zesco at second in A, and in Canada 7th.
It would be. They
are finding difficult to combine Lake in here because it's been a long time in Canada, Africa. So they are finding very difficult
to blend the African campaign with the domestic league.
So out of the 10 teams, only like 7th.
Yes. So unlike Zesco, 2015 or semi-finals. 2017 they were in the group stage. 2018 they are in the group stage. So Timo said they have built some sort of consistency with Africa. So for me, this game, it was a Kotoko bomb pie who Kumasi so mbe win no nan kampai bon is a game netima pie in any form of draw. So what I said, or draw there, not just a one of the teams out of the 4, the destiny nasa. It's a game, Zesco and Timian win it. Nankana share and Nankana Timian draw. There's a Zesco there out of the permutation. Se Kotoko no share said the Cranoa, intimacy qualification, man. So now Zesco, no, what killing the ambition. And now says
then Ghana with 7 points will have to go and beat Al-Hilal,
which will be very impossible for them in Uduman. Next on that day, no, Kotoko Africa to be against Zesco, no, not draw Krana or the 10 points, no paper.
Zesco wasn't not, they will not be happy. Say in Ghana, Africa, when you normal move to feel. So they can even cause damage to the Omar Club team.
No, Zesco no dear, Koshen Kana will keep you there. Not for me, a slim Kotoko's ambition.
No. So Koshen in Kana, I will keep you here.
At about 7 points.
Debbie, I had about 7 points.
4 points.
4 points. It is Zesco, yes, shed the answer.
The best one is you can draw.
It should draw or Nkana should win. Because Nkana they are winning. So the destiny, I say, I also call Al-Hilal Induman. Induman, what the Unim said,
the artists being called Al-Hilal, they were qualified. Because of a share. Nkana add 10 points.
3 points will fear 10. If Kotoko Shen will come
and I don't know what Asante Kotoko say. After say Nkana win, let's say Asante Kotoko team win, then they will go to 9 points. Al-Hilal will be 7 points, which they need to win against Nkana.
Yeah.
Head to head between. Another advantage is head to head between Nkana and Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko right toe. It is the one who Lusu away. Now Al-Hilal team Nkana or
yes.
It is Kotoko chances in
Kotoko chance in the and
but the
match should be said.
Zesco will not win.
Zesco will not win. That is it.
Zesco must not win.
Zesco must not win this weekend. If Zesco wins, no matter the scoreline, it was a Kotoko Zesco. Zesco number 7 points. And the last home match, the Kumasi of Zambia.
And they are very good.
Let's bring and see.
So I think Kotoko for no pay pano should be the Nkana Zesco class. But where Zesco must not win.
Yeah, Zesco must not win. And Kotoko must win.
Yeah.
Oh, Kotoko is winning. Kotoko, yeah, we
as only maybe at 3 points. But I think this game is very tricky.
Maybe our team be on a bragging right. Yeah, and just a Kotoko see Sudan Al-Hilal Kotoko and Kasa Ukruma.
Was it 9 points
at home? And this is the last game that grabs the 9 points. So why should we debate about it?
But I'm doubt be said they might drop point at home. And I was thinking it was going to be against the Zambian team, not Al-Hilal, especially Zesco. I'm really shocked with Zesco for
Zesco. They all on foot playing BMO.
Yeah.
All come Ghana or the Bars and Echo. We are in the last game against Kotoko. So only 2 matches in 9 Zambia. Or both.
But that rivalry game between me and
Anthony, who say Kotoko Bompire now can Asante Kotoko say ye no can Kana ye and Kana Zesco. But if Zesco wins, could you?
Okay, until I had there Kotoko na side game na Kotoko Kono or bought no share a permutations in a very simple permutations. Over group no so the last for the top or more 7 points. Kotoko was 6, Nkana was 6. Zesco 4. Enna Zesco 4 no echo Nkana wa
6 and 4
6 and 4 ne kobo.
And 6 and 7 so
ebo. Enti empire ebo say ma Zesco enko wini. Because Zesco wini no onya 7 points a. Na je say Kotoko echo Zambia ho na kobo. O she Kotoko a or 10 points. Wa qualify na Kotoko aka ne 9 wa.
So 1-0 pekura.
1-0 kra. E ho na yem pese Zesco 4 bo ka ko she Nkana. But Nkana so over 40 years ni obi antimi che no Africa e o kitwe.
Yes.
That's what. Yeah, but that ya trust. How do we Adom TV? We didn't quite Ben Samuel show. You might know Agoro Ne Fom. Yeah, but it's here. Live on Adom TV, and when you go to our channel, I'm sure for yeah, the Jubadi no eba na wie enche bia. Ye be mama ba mu phone lines no ye be bie 0302211705 0302211705 and 0302211706 obetumi e de o messages aba ana obetumi afre asidwade ni mu whilst ye conclude e wo ha no information in sanka sisi a chese Kotoko defender na obe gina mu ball chima na ye kama Abdul Ganiyu unso ne Wahab and a pair. Yan say wantimi also far some slight injury on Friday and pay wantimi and training. It that's the bad news about Asante Kotoko emu. Yeah, the day say
too bad, but I think the
fresh injury.
Yeah, Kotoko
and pay wantimi and warm up training.
I said this and it still beat my imagination. The reason why Emmanuel Owusu a free team anymore. Now they are left with just 3 center backs. Backward presses here. I really don't wish that.
I do ever have.
I don't wish that. Should in case we send back in the red card, you need to shift either send a new and answer one of your defensive midfielders today. But meanwhile, we were having
but that one was utility to be bold.
At some point, he was playing as a central defender. In the same was a bar. He just shift him over there. But you use Augustine. Because to me, say coach news rule not so with me ama. Because they are from a effective passing.
I think he would like to go with a centre back between the goalkeeper and the defensive midfielder. Because most of the build-ups start from the defense.
That is exactly the system Kojo building because the two have played for one club for more than 3 or 4 seasons.
But at Kotoko, boom. That's another issue. You need that understanding between the goalkeeper or start playing to the centre back to be at the centre midfield. So that thing needs to work. But I think it's a big blow. Ganiu, with the normal now now come off here. Normal or Yeme team, he's very good. And I think the Kotoko and BBA because they are not playing active near this. So players yes some overstretch here. And it is normal way. But I think it's very bad. These are normal Makumako is football. So you can't do away with.
Let's see how Kusika can deal with this particular issue. But Baba Kitwe be now.
Now can be Kitwe. We see in the last 4 decades. Our continental competition.
Yeah. Okay, but hold on for me. Osei wa mana so. Hello Osei. Hello Osei. Hello. Osei. Hello Osei.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay, I'm saying yes, I can't say. Nah, yes, we can friend now do the by 03022117 0705 or 706.
In the last 15 matches between Zesco and Nkana.
Okay.
In the last 15 matches, Zesco are winning 0 on win.
But then continental. Continental matches. League matches.
League matches. And Nkana in share Zesco.
But where continental match?
10 wins and 5 draw.
Like I said, Zesco, you must have done Nkana for
yes, in the last 15 matches, Washington 10 or draw 5.
Wow. Zesco now, Oma is a Diana of Ghana. Then if you go to Zambia, Power Dynamos and Nkana, how many Kotoko has? So the biggest rivalry game is Power Dynamos and Nkana. Then Zesco knows so they are doing well in Africa and Ghana. They have quality.
They have electricity supply.
Yeah, they have players. Even free
okay, but hold on for me. Adams, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Hello, Adams.
Yeah, hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yeah, hello,
okay.
Good morning.
Adams, hello.
Yeah.
Head to head, no. Matches 15, no.
15 matches, no. Zesco shed 10. They move 5 draw. And this is a game we are all playing. Zesco must not win. So Nkana's first victory in 16 matches.
And every assist draw, I think that this game will end up in a draw. But normalization.
Okay, normalization. 1
minute. And this was one of the biggest score I'm calling for to get a football person into the normalization. Now he understands the football language, which Samuel Sekufo, to me, the best centre back in Africa for the past 2 decades. And I think that about with the football side, like a club account, we so pair replacement teachers said normalization is not going, and they will be there, just like I've been saying. Say they've been enjoying the tune and they want to go to Africa. I am saying this already at the stadium. I'm there to Ghana for normalization. I think there's one thing I always say: they should leave this position with a good football legacy. It should help. And now, somebody 10 years, but no papa to we'll talk about them.
Okay.
So maybe one day, next football still maintains it here. Whoever takes over, whoever you do now.
But I see. On the 13th of September, day now, we announce normalization. You know. Yeah. Okay. Hello, I say. Good morning.
Hello.
Hello, I say.
Yeah.
Okay. On the day now, you announce normalization. Girlfriend Kotoko Wafu. At the way to the Twitter page. Yeah. Or say, lawyer Adom. Yeah. Attended 12 meetings with him. Was either late or asleep during proceedings. Will be interesting. On the day they are appointed.
On the 13th
of September. As my girlfriend.
13th of this month, near 6 months.
And then is somebody who knows you better than the way you know yourself.
And I speculation now, but say no meeting. Now that's all on call. And I'll be calling that. And I'm going to meet deadline.
So why is he arguing? I don't know all about it.
What's that for all about the metro caution kakra? Say, I sit in your dad, I sit in your MPs or my country, I get to but because being a member of parliament is a position of privilege of 4,000, right.
Unfortunately, our time is up. Okay, Baba, thank you for passing through. Thank you, Sabansen. Nyamia Duma, if you are, you cook Masi, you work with Kumasi, Asante Kotoko, now almost 8 million kunim ama or my Ghana. Many the Kwaju Mensa, Moshoso Jackson, and the production crew now, the soundman, the lightman, the cameraman, Obia Nyamia Duma, Yabesai, Eshabio, Many the Kwaju Mensa, Moshoso.